Hey, welcome back. I'm Adam Gower, and I'm going to talk to you today about sponsor capital contribution, but not before mentioning that for a further detailed training, go to leadersofthecrowd.com/small change for some free training and access to a very detailed course, all right? And if you put that in the comments and make it clickable, I'd be most grateful. It simply doesn't work in the subtitles. All right, so let's take a look at this one. I love the name of this one, Golaski Labs. It reminds me of a movie, Godeska Den, that I watched when I was in Japan. So I'm going to scan down here and we're going to go ahead and take a look at the sources and uses of capital for the project. And the one that we're going to home in on is this one right here. This is sponsor capital contribution. Well, when a project is put together, there is a definitive amount of money that is required to put the whole deal together, right? You've got to buy the land, you've got to do the construction or the renovation, etc., and cover your expenses. And the way that that's put together is that the sponsor creates a stack of different vested interests in the project, and they will have debt in first position. Then behind that, there's going to be equity. But if they are asking you for all that money, or they're asking investors for all that money, what do they have to lose, right? You want to be sure that the sponsor, the developer, is also putting some of their own money in the deal. It's called skin in the game, and it's also called, more technically, it's called the sponsor capital contribution. And typically, you're going to be wanting to see anything from 5 to 10% and up of the total equity that is required. So we can see in this particular deal, again, I'm just looking at these headlines here, sponsor capital is 40,000. Small change investors are being asked for 760,000, so that's 800,000 total. That's a 5% contribution. In other words, the sponsor also stands to lose some money if the deal goes wrong. Don't forget, go to leadersofthecrowd.com/small change for some extra goodies. I'll see you soon. I'll see you in the next vid. Bye.